What's up guys, this is David and today I'm going to do a quick unboxing and review of the brand new Atomos Ninja 5. Alright guys, so Atomos' newest external video recorder is the much anticipated Atomos Ninja 5, which is advertised as a smaller version of the $995 Ninja Inferno. This little guy will set you back $695, and for that you'll receive the Ninja 5 itself, a quick start guide, AC power adapter, a battery eliminator, and a standard hard drive caddy. You won't get any mounting accessories or hard drive or even a battery, so you'll have to pick those up before you can get started. You'll also need a hard drive adapter to get your files to your computer. I'll make sure to put a link in the video description below. The unit itself is compact and features a 1920 by 1080 1000 nit touchscreen display. On the left you'll find HDMI in and HDMI output so you can do pass-through. On the other side you'll find the power button, a mic line input, a headphone output which is important for those cameras that don't have one, and a remote jack. On the rear of the unit there is the battery and hard drive bay. For power you can use Sony NPF style batteries or the included battery eliminator so you can connect to AC power, which is convenient for long shoots. The hard drive bay is a bit small, and that's because while it accepts standard sized SSDs, it will also take the brand new Atom X mini SSDs, which are custom made to fit this unit. If you don't buy one of those new SSDs, make sure yours has enough write speed to keep up with the recorder. The Ninja Inferno and other 7-inch recorders always seemed way too large for DSLRs, or even worse, mirrorless cameras. The Ninja 5 just feels right when sitting on top of most cameras, including my D810 here, and even my new X-T3, which is recording this right now. And just like the Ninja Inferno, the Ninja 5 can record up to 4K 60p video in 10-bit, and in Full HD, up to 120 frames per second in either ProRes or DNxHR via HDMI. So I'm not going to go through the entire menu system, but it has all the great tools from its bigger siblings, such as false color, peaking, framing guides, audio levels, and even LUT support. Recording is just as easy as other Atomos systems. Just click record and you'll see the red border pop up showing it's recording. Want to review your footage? Click on the play button and review and tag any of your clips. So for the price you pay for this recorder, it packs a ton of features. If you have a 4K camera like the GH5, the new Nikon Z series, or the Fuji X-T3, it's a great addition to your kit, enabling you to record 4K 60p 10-bit 422 video. So that's it for today. I hope you enjoyed the video, and as always, if you liked it, make sure you hit that thumbs up button, subscribe, and I'll see you guys next time.